Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Hope you guys are making those gains. Hope you guys have your stops in if you're inside those alts because they taking a beating right now, man. So hope you guys are out there, guys, making some money, man. Enjoying your Tuesday, enjoying time with your family, having fun, enjoying life. Enjoying life. You know, is every day is a blessing, man. Every day is a gift that you're on this earth, that you're breathing. Okay, so just enjoy life, smile, call people you haven't talked to in a long time, and and go from there. So, man, this has been a great day, man. If you've been at Bitcoin, it has been a great day. Let's look at the market cap right now. So we're at $365 billion, 24-hour volumes at $84.3 billion. BTC dominance is actually up to 60.5%. I know just last week, I think we were around about 57%. So BTC dominance coming up. Big boy Bitcoin is back. So I'm gonna say Bitcoin, big boy Bitcoin is back, baby. So if you look at it in the last 24 hours, you're looking at $364 billion we was at, and then we went up 1 billion. Let's check it out for the last week. And you see in the last week we had 360 billion, so 5 billion actually came into the market. So guys, it's definitely been good. We peaked out at 367, but I mean, definitely been doing good for right now. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you guys can see, and what I want people to really understand is, this is different. This is different from 2017, and I'm gonna show you guys on a chart how it's actually different. And people are you can see how you can actually make some money, and just pay attention to what's going on. If you see we're getting a lot of good volume, and this is on a weekly chart. All right, I know I normally show the daily chart, but just for this video, I want to show you guys on a weekly chart. In the last 3 weeks, we have been going up. It has been bullish. All right. So we're seeing, and we're right on our support and resistance lines. You got to look at it and see, I haven't moved these things. You know what I'm saying? We have been sitting right there. That's why you want to become skilled at these type of things right here, because what it does is make it easy plays for you. You know when to get in, when to get out, you know how to hold on to things, and you can actually see things. You start looking at patterns. All right. I'm not too of a technical analysis. I'm not very, 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 very technical, but I just like to look at things and understand patterns and learn the fundamentals as well. So what you look at it and see, guys, in the last 3 weeks, we have been bullish, and we have been sitting, we'll rest right on that support line, and we'll blow right past that resistance. And we're getting right back, and we blow right past that resistance as well. We come on that support line right here. Like we about to go under. Nope. Get right back in that here. Following week, blow past that resistance. Next stop is 12.4. If I see we get past 12.450 and rest, we got to rest. All right. We blow past that, there's definitely going to be something good. Definitely something good for us, and I'll show you. So if you guys can see, man, we have been simply bullish since you guys, if you look at it, really since March. After the Rona, you see we all had that big dip. But man, it has been riding up. It has been riding up. I mean, if you look at it, we had just been riding up. We'll have a week where, we dip, we'll come right back. You know what I'm saying? And it's the little accumulating stage, and then we just go and ride right up. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys taking profits during these times as well. Take that dip, one big dip, we have a bad week. You know what I'm saying? In a matter of basically a year, we had one bad week, and then we just coming right back up. You know what I'm saying? So that's why it's good to take profits as well, because if you sell around here, sell up here, guess what happens? You get down here, you can buy back in, and you'll have more satoshis, stacking those sats and chilling, baby, stacking them sats and chilling. So let's just go back a little bit here. So if you guys can see, we get past this 12. Let me just try to. I don't want to take too long in this video. I don't make it too much of a technical video, but if you look at it and see, we get past 12.450 Bitcoin. When we got past 10,000, we've been in 10,000, been above 10,000 since July, the week of July 27th, as you guys can see here. So week of July 27th, we've been past 10,000. All right. I mean, you might have dipped a little bit, right below, but realistically, we've been setting at 10,000, as you guys can see here. All right. And the last time, you got to remember, in 2017, when Bitcoin actually hit the all-time high. Bitcoin actually hit the all-time high back in 2017. Um, it was a little different. It was a little different, and this is why you can't get caught up in people just oh man, we're on our way to the moon, rockets, because you don't really want to do that. You really want to take your time and see, okay, how's everything playing out? And it's playing out very well, because the last time when Bitcoin from Bitcoin hitting 10,000 to all-time high, as you guys can see here. So we had 10,000 here just the week of November 27th, back in 2017. That's when we first passed 10,000. All right. So you're looking at 1-2 weeks. That's when we hit our all-time high. All right, to about 20,000. So no matter 2 weeks from reaching 10,000 to 20,000. All right. It's different this time. And then after that, it's just been on that downward trend, as you guys can see here. Try to come back up, but down, right? So in a matter of 2 weeks, we're from 10,000 to 20,000, all right? And it's been down ever since. It's been going down since. It haven't reached that all-time high since. And I see what we have to do here. Now, anybody been in for a while, they already understand what's going on. So what I see, we have to hit, once we break through that 12.45, our next step is by 13,000, by 13.2. Hit that 13.2. After we hit that 13.2, we get about 14. And last time we touched 13.2 was the week of July 8th of 2019. All right. So we got to get past this 13.2. Once we get past 13.2, then I can see it's at 14.15. All right. But as you guys can see, it's not like last time. It's not like that bullish where it just went straight through the roof, straight to the moon, and then just tanked. So if you guys are able to look and see, you can actually accumulate. Crypto is giving a lot of people a lot of time to get in. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to do that real quick. I didn't want to turn to a technical video, but let's get right into it, man. So it says Bitcoin trading dominance hits 2017 levels not seen since 20,000 BTC. Now the Bitcoin trading dominance has hit a 3-year high for the first time since BTC hit its all-time high price of almost $20,000. All right. So it says the cryptocurrency market has suddenly shifted back to Bitcoin after several months of decentralized finance frenzy. I've been part of that frenzy as well. So while market cap dominance remains below 60%, earlier this month, the trading dominance of BTC has spiked to levels not seen since 2017, when the price hit an all-time high of 20,000 BTC. You got to remember, you don't have a bunch of, it was on CNBC. People was talking about it everywhere. You don't really see everyone talk about Bitcoin everywhere. The thing is, it was retail that was leading the charge back then. Now the institutions started to lead the charge here. So this is just something to think about, guys. So it says, due to the growing dominance of Bitcoin in terms of market volume, the alternative cryptocurrency altcoin market is stagnating. The trading dominance of the bellwether for altcoins, Ethereum, for instance, did not see a similar spike in the same period, which is kind of strange. Usually ETH follows behind Bitcoin, but ETH is what it is, man. ETH come out with that 2.0 through the roof. Now it says, why does the altcoin market underperform when Bitcoin is going up? As seen from July to early September, when Bitcoin is climbing upwards gradually, it can cause an alt season to materialize. In fact, ETH has outperformed BTC so far this year in terms of percentage, which is partially why momentum may be returning back to Bitcoin. And you got to remember, guys, Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin in the last bull run as well. So a lot of people came up off of Ethereum in the last bull run. But says especially during August, many DeFi tokens increased between 5 to 20 fold, causing a massive altcoin craze. Now, but when the price of Bitcoin goes up quickly in a short period, it can cause the altcoin market to slump. Profits are likely cycling in from altcoins back into stablecoins and Bitcoin, leading BTC to rally by itself. Okay, a lot of people start getting nervous, and then they just throw their stuff, a lot of people just go right to the, go to the gravy train. People say, you know what? I'm throwing it right in Bitcoin. I'm pulling out of alts. I'm going to Bitcoin. And then you start seeing the reversal as well. When alts start popping, you start seeing Bitcoin go down as well. So just something that you guys got to pay attention to. Look at that BTC dominance, guys. I'm telling you, that right there can save you a lot of money just looking at that. And it leads you to where you need to go. It says, but when the price of Bitcoin goes up quickly in a short time, it can cause altcoin market to slump. I already read that. What the hell am I talking about? Now, Su Zhu, the CEO of Three Arrows Capital, emphasized that Bitcoin going up quickly could be bearish for altcoins. He explained. No Sherlock. BTC going up swiftly is not only not bullish for alts, but it's bearish. Reasons for this are myriad, but boil down to the fact that money is a coordination game and Bitcoin is the shilling point. This is independent of how you feel about it. Community is literally irrelevant. Now, a similar trend has been spotted across major cryptocurrency exchanges on Hubei. Bitcoin trading volumes market share has been increasing as shown by the data from School. As you guys can look here and see, which basically in the from Hubei 24-hour volume, futures swaps volume. So you guys can see here, you guys can always come back here and check out this video here and pause it and then see, the volume and then what's going on. All right, so it says the trading data on Hubei is significant because the exchange has 1.1% of the Bitcoin supply in its cold wallet. It remains one of the biggest exchanges in the world in terms of cryptocurrency reserves, alongside OKX and Binance. Now it says, what does this indicate for BTC? Now, in the past 13 days, the price of Bitcoin has increased by more than 12%. Against the US dollar, the strong performance of BTC comes after a series of negative events that could have caused a major pullback. And guys, remember, when you got the stimulus thing going on, if you don't get that stimulus popping, you know what I'm saying? You're going to see Bitcoin really rally. All right. So, I'm sorry, you see that dollar, if that dollar go down and Bitcoin will go the opposite way. So I'm telling you guys, that's all I'm gonna say. So we watching that stimulus. Plus, as the dollar get weaker, man. So and a lot of money getting printed. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see how it works out. So as Cointelegraph extensively reported several exchanges related news, including the suspension of withdrawals by OKX, caused BTC to drop below 11.3. Despite the uncertainty in the market and the slump of U.S. equities, BTC pushed above 11.7. Now, analysts remain relatively confident in the optimistic medium-term trajectory of Bitcoin. But if BTC pulls back in the short term as the market seeks for relief, it could cause a bigger altcoin correction. Now it says Michael Van D. Pope, a full-time trader at the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, believes BTC will likely drop back to 11.1, referring to a chart that expects a BTC pullback to 11.1. He wrote, still standing behind the view, there's such a big hurdle coming up for BTC. Like I said, guys, it's moving. If you look at the chart, you will see that unlike last time, it's giving us a little time to act. It's not just taking off. It's more sophisticated now. All right. I said retail was pushing it last bull run. It's more institutionalized now. Okay. So, guys, a lot of trading is going on. A lot of volume is in there. You guys can see as I just read. And all I'm going to say is stack your sats and chill. Know when to get in, know when to get out. If you're trading actively, do I see a pullback? Yes, I don't really see it going up. But this is Bitcoin season. But 3 weeks in a row, it's that type of thing. That's why I got my support line. Because the last time we got to 12.4 by 12.450. This was back in August, the week of August 17th, and we haven't been above that, and that was just a wick. You know what I'm saying? So we didn't really even rest there. Like we're at where we rested at last time. Right now we're at. So it's a decision have to be made here with Bitcoin. We're resting right now where we was at. as you guys can see, back in August. These 2 weeks here, we rested. It wicked up here on the week of August 3rd, but we're resting right where we're at. We're right now right where we rested at for those 2 weeks. And so, I mean, guys, and last time we've been there above past that was in July, the week of July 8th, 2019. So let me know what you guys think about this here, guys. Are you guys going crazy right now? Have you guys been locking in those gains? Are you guys just accumulating, stacking them sats and just chilling, relaxing? Let me know. I would love to hear about it, guys, in the comments below. Drop your comment below, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here, the group Crypto Black. And we out of here, baby.